Wakati jina la familia ya Kenyatta linapotajwa, jina moja hukujia akilini, jina lake Rais mstaafu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, na lile la babake mzee Jomo Kenyatta. Ila wengi usahau aswa ni nani ambaye amekuwa nyuma ya familia ya biashara za familia ya Kenyatta na kujenga biashara za Kenyatta mpaka kuwafikia mahala ambapo zilipo kwa sasa. Jina lake ni Muhoho Kenyatta. Inaaminika katika familia ya Kenyatta huyu ana ushawishi mkubwa kumliko mamake Ngina na pia babake na pia nduguye Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Muhoho Kenyatta inaaminika ndiye alikuwa mstari wa mbele katika kupanga mikakati ya kuweza kumfanya rais nduguye Uhuru Kenyatta. Muhoho mara nyingi ametajwa kuwa the mastermind behind the business empire of the Kenyatta family. He is a man that likes to play a low profile na apendi shobo kabisa wala kutajwa wala kufanya mahojiano na vyombo vya habari. Muhoho Kenyatta, the youngest brother of former President Uhuru Kenyatta, little is known about him. What is not in doubt though is his business prowess. It is said that Muhoho is the force behind the ever-expanding Kenyatta family business. The Kenyatta family business is not just an ordinary set of a few businesses. It is an empire that sweeps across agriculture, education, finance, hospitality, insurance, media, equity, property and real estate, and Brookside Dairy. Heritage Hotels, NCBA Bank and MediaMax Group top the list of Kenyatta's business heritage. The Heritage Hotels owns the Voyage Resort in Mombasa and the Savo Interpins Camp in Samburu and Masai Mara, as well as the Great Rift Valley Lodge in Naivasha. Mara Explorer Camp and the Kipungani Explorer in Lamu Island are also part of the establishment. Muhoho, it is reported, rarely takes part in golfing or social events. Instead, he has modeled himself as that one individual whose focus is entirely cast on his family enterprises. Now quoting, Muhoho is described as a gentle soul, a hard-working individual who spent 12 to 14 hours a day working in his Ruiru headquarters of the Brookside Dairy Limited Company. This translates to mean that he mostly leaves the headquarters of Brookside Dairy Limited after 10 p.m. at night. One report from the local daily said, Muhoho is also a board member in a number of their family businesses. Currently, he sits on the board of NCBA Bank, which is partly owned by the Kenyatta family. Muhoho was among the midwives who birthed Brookside Dairies Limited in 1993. He is also said to prefer giving his kids a hands-on business orientation. He has insisted his children learn how to milk cows and boil the produce for themselves. No one is allowed to go off handling during working hours. They join us in the factory packing milk, or the boys join us on a tractor to cut and pack hay and maize in silos. One report said, Muhoho was educated at St. Mary's School, Nairobi, and graduated with a Bachelor's of Art in Political Science from Williams College in 1985. In 2018, Muhoho was controversially named in Parliament as one of the individuals whose companies had been licensed to import sugar. Protect Investment Company, a firm whose directors are listed as Muhoho Kenyatta and John Stuart Hermitage, was among 317 companies which the former agriculture CS and now MP Mwangi Kionjori named as having sugar import permits. Reports said that Mr. Hermitage was a long-time confidant of the Kenyatta family with directorships in their flagship business such as Brookside Dairy, Heritage Holdings and Green Park Investment. Protect Company is a registered importer of brown sugar. Now, besides running the family business, Muhoho is said to be a close confidant of his older brother, Uhuru Kenyatta. Apparently, he holds a political sway and he is consulted on major decisions with political significance and ramifications that might affect the Kenyatta family. For instance, it is said that Muhoho and his mother played major roles in securing former President Uhuru Kenyatta and ODM leader Raila Odinga's truce, which culminated in the March 9th handshake in the year 2018. He was a decisive force behind TNA's acquisition, refurbishment, and branding. And he is also named as one who united Uhuru Kenyatta together with William Ruto in 2013 and made them to run as a combined force, which led to them securing the government through the Jubilee Party coalition. Now, in regards to this young man, you can really tell that he knows what he does. He is the force behind the Kenyatta family. There is that one think tank in the family that is given the opportunity to think on behalf of others. And I can really say that Muhoho Kenyatta is that man when it comes to the Kenyatta family. Uhuru ni pombe atakunywa ama ni biashara atafikiria bwana. Unaona huyo mtu kutoka atoke kwa kiti ni tumbo tu amebeba. But he is a man also, kama kuna rais bwana alikuwa anajali wa Kenya, he is a very caring man, Mr. Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. And that's why Kenyans every day nowadays are crying that they wish that that man would have stayed longer in office. For now, that's what's up. Go ahead and subscribe.